life-changing baking soda hacks you need to try today. Sodium bicarbonate, more commonly known as baking soda, is a versatile white powder primarily used in kitchens for baking and cleaning. However, baking soda's uses extend far beyond making cookies rise or freshening up your fridge. This humble household staple has a myriad of health and wellness applications that can positively impact your daily life. Here, we'll explore some remarkable ways to incorporate baking soda into your routine, enhancing your health and well-being. As always, consult your healthcare provider before trying new remedies. Let's get started. Number 1. Reduces canker sores. Canker sores, those small but painful ulcers in the mouth, can make eating and talking a challenge. Fortunately, baking soda offers a simple and effective solution. Due to its alkaline nature, baking soda helps neutralize the acids that irritate canker sores. Additionally, its antibacterial properties promote faster healing. A notable study conducted at the Sunnybrook Health System's mouth clinic demonstrated significant improvement in patients suffering from chronic ulceration after using baking soda mouthwashes and practicing thorough oral hygiene. To create your own canker sore remedy, mix a pinch of baking soda with a small amount of water to form a paste. Apply this paste directly to the sore. If the paste is too uncomfortable, you can opt for a baking soda rinse instead. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and swish it around your mouth for a minute before spitting it out. Always remember to wash your hands thoroughly before applying the paste or rinse. Number 2. Relieve acid reflux. Heartburn, a common symptom of acid reflux, affects millions of people worldwide. When heartburn strikes, you need a quick and effective solution. Baking soda, a natural antacid, can provide relief by neutralizing stomach acid. Mixing a tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of water can help alleviate the burning sensation in your chest. Although more research is needed to fully understand its efficacy, many people find that baking soda provides temporary relief from heartburn. It's important to note that baking soda should not be used as a long-term treatment for chronic heartburn or GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. If you experience frequent heartburn, consult a healthcare professional for a comprehensive treatment plan. Number 3. Gets rid of filthy fridge smell. A smelly refrigerator can be quite off-putting, especially when you're trying to store fresh food. Baking soda is an excellent deodorizer that can help eliminate unpleasant fridge odors caused by spoiled food, mold, or yeast. Its amphoteric nature means it can neutralize both acidic and alkaline molecules that contribute to bad smells. To freshen up your fridge, place a bowl of baking soda on a shelf. For a deep clean, turn off your fridge and remove all the contents. Wipe down the interior with a mixture of baking soda and water to remove any stubborn odors. Once everything is clean, put a fresh plate of baking soda back in the fridge to maintain a pleasant smell. Number 4. May relieve arthritis pain. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease characterized by chronic inflammation of the joints. Recent research suggests that baking soda may help manage rheumatoid arthritis symptoms by promoting an anti-inflammatory environment in the body. A 2018 study found that drinking a solution of baking soda and water altered the immune response in both humans and animals, reducing inflammation. The study showed that baking soda influenced macrophages, a type of immune cell involved in inflammation. Instead of sending out inflammatory signals, the macrophages sent out calming signals, reducing joint inflammation. While these findings are promising, further research is needed to determine the long-term benefits and appropriate usage of baking soda for rheumatoid arthritis. Number 5. Remove stains. Stains on clothes and furniture can be frustrating, but baking soda offers an easy and effective solution. Its mild abrasive properties make it excellent for removing stains without damaging fabrics or surfaces. To tackle tough stains, mix a quarter cup of water with 4 tablespoons of baking soda and a hint of dish soap to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to the stained area and scrub gently with a clean cloth. Let it sit for a few minutes before wiping it off with a damp cloth. This method works well on a variety of stains, from coffee spills on your favorite shirt to pet accidents on the carpet. For stubborn stains, you might need to repeat the process a few times. Number 6. Helps whiten your teeth. Maintaining a bright smile is important, but over time, teeth can become stained from food, drinks, and poor oral hygiene. Baking soda's natural whitening properties make it a popular ingredient in many toothpastes. Studies have shown that baking soda is effective at removing surface stains and plaque, helping to keep your teeth clean and white. To create a homemade whitening paste, mix baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice until it forms a thick paste. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as usual. Be cautious with this remedy, as overuse can erode enamel. Use it sparingly and consult your dentist if you have concerns about tooth sensitivity or enamel erosion. Number 7. May help your kidneys. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a serious condition that gradually impairs kidney function over time. Keeping your kidneys healthy is crucial, as they filter waste from your blood and regulate vital functions in your body. Research indicates that baking soda may help slow the progression of CKD and reduce the need for dialysis. A study found that patients with CKD who took a baking soda supplement daily experienced a 36% reduction in the risk of kidney failure. The supplements helped to balance the body's pH levels, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Although these findings are encouraging, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment for CKD. Number 8. Treats dry skin. Dry, itchy skin can be uncomfortable, but baking soda's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can provide relief. Mixing baking soda with coconut oil creates a soothing paste that can be applied to affected areas. This remedy helps to reduce redness, irritation, and itchiness. For an effective foot soak, fill a basin with warm water and add a few tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes to soften the skin. After soaking, use a mixture of baking soda and water to scrub away dead skin, leaving your feet soft and smooth. This treatment is especially beneficial for those with cracked heels or rough patches. Number 9. An effective body scrub. Exfoliating your skin is essential for maintaining a healthy, radiant complexion. Baking soda can be used to create a natural body scrub that removes dead skin cells and leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. To make the scrub, mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to your skin in circular motions, focusing on rough or dry areas. The mild abrasive action of the baking soda will help slough off dead skin cells, revealing a smoother, more radiant layer beneath. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat your skin dry. Use this scrub once or twice a week for best results. Number 10. Bad breath solution. Waking up with bad breath is a common issue, but baking soda can help freshen your mouth and eliminate odor-causing bacteria. Acid-forming foods and poor oral hygiene are often to blame for bad breath, also known as halitosis. Baking soda's antibacterial properties make it an effective natural mouthwash. To use baking soda as a mouthwash, dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Swish the solution around your mouth for a minute, making sure to reach all areas, then spit it out. This rinse helps neutralize acids, reduce bacteria, and freshen your breath without the harsh sting of commercial mouthwashes. Number 11. Helps relieve insect bites irritation. Mosquito bites can be itchy and irritating, but baking soda can provide quick relief. Create a soothing paste by mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a thick consistency. Apply the paste to the bite and let it sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. This remedy works well for mosquito bites, but if you're bitten by other insects or experience unusual symptoms, seek medical attention. Baking soda helps to reduce itching and swelling, making it a useful addition to your first aid kit for minor insect bites and stings. Number 12. All-natural deodorant. Many commercial deodorants contain chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. Baking soda offers a natural alternative that effectively neutralizes underarm odor. A study involving 63 seniors from the University of Oklahoma College of Medicine found that baking soda was an effective deodorant, with most participants reporting no skin irritation. To make a simple baking soda deodorant, mix equal parts baking soda and water to form a paste. Apply a small amount under your arms as needed. For added effectiveness, you can mix baking soda with cornstarch. This combination helps absorb moisture and control odor, keeping you fresh throughout the day. Number 13. May help fight cancer. Emerging research suggests that baking soda may enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy for certain types of cancer. By reducing the acidity of the tumor environment, baking soda makes it easier for chemotherapy drugs to limit the growth and spread of cancer cells. While these findings are still in the early stages and based primarily on animal studies, they offer promising insights into the potential benefits of baking soda in cancer treatment. Further research on humans is needed to confirm these results and determine the best ways to incorporate baking soda into cancer treatment plans. It's important to discuss any new treatments with your healthcare provider before making changes to your cancer care regimen. Conclusion: baking soda is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a versatile and powerful tool for improving your health and well-being. From relieving canker sores and heartburn to whitening teeth and soothing dry skin, baking soda offers a range of benefits that can enhance your daily life. Always consult your doctor before trying new remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication. If you found these baking soda hacks helpful and want more tips for a healthier lifestyle, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear how you'll be using baking soda in your daily routine, so drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.